No matter what application, the plating on contacts is crucial. It often determines how reliably a device will operate. Until now, connector contacts have most commonly been plated with gold, silver, or tin. But now there is an interesting alternative. TE Connectivity presents its ECONIDUR Surface-Plated Connector Contacts, a breakthrough plating technology designed to replace traditional precious metal layers in contact surfaces. ECONIDUR contacts are plated with a well-designed nickel phosphorus plating that utilizes a sophisticated stack configuration. This is the key to high quality and excellent performance. If done right and with a comprehensive understanding of the plating process, impressive results can be achieved. In many cases, nickel phosphorus plating presents superior advantages compared to conventional precious metal surfaces. ECONIDUR can replace those platings and unlock enhanced potential in terms of sustainability and performance.
Hi, my name is Manuel Rüther. I work as Senior Principal Engineer Technology, Standardization and Consortia for Industrial Automation and Electrification at TE Connectivity. In this role, I'm the responsible for standardization, for consortia, and for technology management in different directions. Automation control applications and motor control systems introduce novel challenges, from ensuring high signal integrity and high-speed data transmission to achieving robust mechanical resistance in drive technology. Customer expectations have undergone a substantial increase. In industrial application, enhanced vibration resistance, threat and protection, and corrosion prevention are crucial. Consequently, selecting the appropriate coating is important to fulfill customer expectations. ECONIDUR Plated Contacts from TE are nickel phosphorus plating serves as cornerstone for achieving exceptional quality and performance. The coatings applied to the contacts of connectors depend on the application. The number of mating cycles is important. Overall, the choice of alloy and coating thickness is crucial. In addition, for users, cost is a major factor. So coating are a multidimensional topic, especially when sustainability is also taken into account. It was time that this issue was addressed in a qualified manner. For connector manufacturers, the electroplating of complex coatings can be a challenge. This is now introducing its latest ECONIDUR Plated Contacts. It's an advancement for a greener and more reliable future. ECONIDUR Plated Connector Contacts are TE's highly sustainable and durable solution for demanding applications, whether it's high signal integrity in high-speed data transmission or high vibration resistance in drive technology. With ECONIDUR Plated Contacts, customer gain two advantages: stable performance and a smaller CO2 footprint. While maintaining uncompromised quality standards, TE gives customer measurable sustainable benefits. For the latest ECONIDUR coating, TE combines layers of a nickel phosphorus alloy and a gold flash coating. NIP layers are significantly harder and more abrasion resistant than copper, tin, and other alternatives. A nickel phosphorus alloy offers high hardness, fretting resistance, and corrosion protection. The CO2 emissions decrease heavily for over 23%, supporting greener manufacturing and supply chains. Although it is a new plating, the process and the product quality is maintained. TE developed a measurement method to quantify the layer thickness and structure. This measuring method is a combination of different X-ray technologies. This technology is specially applied for ECONIDUR-based platings. All ECONIDUR plated connectors undergo a rigorous quality assurance process. With this, TE ensure that the coating meets high product quality standards. The connectors will function reliable in many industrial applications over a long period of time. They feature withstand capabilities in terms of vibration in the long term, gas influences, and microfriction. And they support reliable signal transmission up to several gigabits.